Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts on your iPhone. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you just have to tap on this dialer icon in the bottom right corner. And now you will see this option here. You can see this contact option. You have to tap on it. So now I am on the contact option. Now you have to tap on this plus icon in the top right corner. And as you can see this window, just simply type the first name here and then the second name. You can add the company here if you want to, and then you will see this option and you can add the photo here. If you have the photo of that person you are saving the contact of, and then you can simply tap on the phone number, the email, the pronunciation, and there are all the options that you have. And when you are done, you have to tap on this done in the top right corner. And now as you can see, the contact is saved. You can edit it after saving as well. If you tap on edit, as you can see, you have all these options again. You can check these options and you can add the custom field here. If you tap on this add field, you can add the custom field whatever you want. So this is how you add a contact on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.